In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google app on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you enjoy this video and it's helped you, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a lot of people think that you can't get the Google app or apps that you would have on your Android phone on your iPhone, especially when someone's moving from something like a Samsung to an iPhone. But you might not be interested in the iPhone browsers like Safari or anything like that. And you might just want to go back to Google, which is what you're used to. So all you want to do is you want to head on over to the App Store. Once you're here, go over to the search in the very bottom right. And from here, just type in Google. When you type in Google, you're going to get a few different options. But the first one you want to click on is Google. Then just click install. It's going to be installing on your phone. It's a very small app, so it won't take long to install at all. Once it's done, just click open. Now, when you open it on your iPhone, it's going to look something like this. It has a very sleek layout. And if you wanted to send you notifications, you can do that also. At the very bottom, you can see the latest news. You can also search by image, which is really cool. You can also translate just by pressing that one button. The Google app also has a really cool Google Lens feature. If you want to take a picture of something, and then it could actually give you information about the thing that you're taking a picture of, which is really insane. And obviously, if you want to search anything, just press over here, search whatever you want, and you'll be good to go.